What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have the Arrma Outcast 4S V 2.5. Yeah, I'm up here at my favorite park because my other parks are under construction. But yeah, I'm about to rip this thing real quick. I got my ramp out. First time trying it with the 4S Outcast. Let's see will it survive today. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Ready.
I'm gonna start off with this. I want to see how this is gonna turn out. Oh. This little thing got a lot of little push there, man. I'm getting right into the heavy stuff already. I didn't jump it that hard though, but let's try this little hill right here. Definitely got that wrong. Yeah, I'm trying some different jumps up here. Try to make everything work. Make it a little different. I hit it harder a little bit. Tried the gate. Try not to do that. Try not to do that. I'm running that CNHL 8800 milliamp battery. That's the only fault I see about this car is that steering, because rocks and stuff get caught up in the steering. Perfect. Perfect. Ooh, that big old boulder. And my chassis is broke. My chassis is broke on this. Favorite stunt truck ever. This thing is a beast. Yo. Yeah, this thing is so powerful, I can't really launch it like that. It's uncontrollable. Perfect. Perfect. Yo, I got on 75%. She is launching nice though. I mean, perfect.
Combo.
It's launching nicely. Perfect. We can hit some backflip. Let's try to get a backflip. Perfect. Boom. Barely got it. Getting pretty good at jumping though. Give me a ramp, something steady, stable. Oh, man, we gotta do better than that. Perfect. Perfect. Yo.
Well done.
And that's on 75%. She hot? No, not already. Yo, but I'm gonna let this cool down real quick. Be right back. getting all kinds of rocks and sand in my shoes now. And this is 75%. Let's put it on 100. Let this thing. Whoa. I mean, jumping is fun and everything, but ripping around to me is a little more funny. Seeing how they handle it. And this thing ain't no joke, man. Alright, that's enough. Yeah, man, yo, that ramp is holding it down, though. I think I need a little more up, but that ramp is holding it down. And as for the Outcast, no words, this thing is a monster. So as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Well done.